snowing, yeah.
Awesome! Awesome!
Oh my lord. Kidding me. Holy shit. Over there. Oh, we're dead. He's dead with this car. Oh my god, look, we're get out of the car. That's gonna take 3 years. I wait till springtime for that. We gotta take this car out and Chris, come see here. This is gonna take springtime to clear out. 2 months. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
Can I clean the car
No,
now?
no, no.
Why?
Go by Naim.
Where is my...
Oh my god. Oi.
I'm shrinking!
Don't go there, don't go there. Let's go by Naim. Leave that thing here. Let's go by Naim. Leave it here. No, wait, give me.
Oh my god.
Go.
Can't get out. Oh. Better. Oh my god! My feet is already wet.
Totally don't go there. Let's go.
I can't even stop wet. I gotta wet. This is so cool. I like the wet.
Oh my lord.
Oh. Guys, go there. I froze it.
Come, Chris, come on.
Where is Nani?
I don't know.
Oh my god, that car is... Oh my... Nana, I'm getting
What are you
ice
doing?
bumps. Ice
Look at this
bumps.
car here. Oh my gosh.
Getting ice bumps.
What is that?
My shoes are hurting.
Go in here and try to get it out. Naim is over this way. Where's the shoe?
Oh my.
What you did?